Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It is of course your girl Moya Moy with Baddies and the Bag. Today I want to go ahead and show you guys all the items that are on the website. The website is back open. The link is in the description if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. But let us of course start today's video with our positive quote, which reads, more self-love. Give yourself more self-love. This is very important. Self-love is tremendously important. Like, I can't explain this enough. And if you don't have love for yourself, you can't really expect anyone else to have love for you, you know? So my daughter is here with me as always, so you guys will hear her in the background. She's not sleepy. I tried, but she don't want to sleep. So you will hear her from time to time. Love yourself, guys. Very important. You can't expect love and respect if you don't give it to yourself. So let's just jump right into the video since we are showing a lot of products. First product is our Christmas saving challenge, and with the Christmas challenge it is of course vellum, so you guys can see that it's transparent. The good thing about this challenge as well is that it's completely editable, which you guys will find that a lot of the new challenges are editable, meaning that you get to choose how much each icon is and you get to choose the total amount that you're trying to save. I did it this way because in this way I can cater for both low income and, you know, I can cater for all incomes, and it's available on the website. Moving right along because we ain't got no time to waste. We just going with the flow and we just ready to get everything going. So these are cash breakdowns. So cute. So they can fit in your wallets, in your purses. So that's the good thing about them. And they are laminated, super cute. Those are there, and you can get these in the set of 6. So you will get 6 in the set. Next up we have placeholders. They're also matte vellum placeholders. They have a really bougie feel to them. I like the look. It's very clean and it's very classy. So with the placeholders, these are mine, the ones with the pink rim around it, but they don't have any rim, kind of like this one. They're literally just plain and they look just like this. You can get either a set of 2 if you only want a $500 and $1,000 one. You can get a set of 2, and then if you want to do the whole set, you can get the set of 4, which is $500, $1,000, $2,000, and fully funded. So you have the option to choose which one you want to go with on the website. And then next up we have the Body World Saving Challenges. It's a set of 4 challenges. We have Baddie Terrace, which is majority of it $10. So these ones have numbers on them. And then we have Baddie Avenue, which is a combination of 15, 10s, and 5s. And then we have Baddie Street, which is 20s. And we have Baddie Lane, which is 15s. The Baddie World Saving Challenge is available on the website. Go ahead and check it out. And next up we have Rainy Day. So this is the Rainy Day savings. If you want to save up for a rainy day, you can do it with this bundle. It is a customizable bundle, so you get to choose how much money each item is, and you get to choose what's the total you're trying to save on each sheet. So the thing about the new challenges are they are printed on premium glossy cardstock. So if you want to laminate them, you can, but they are printed on glossy cardstock, so they are not laminated, but you can laminate if you want to. Next up we have the College Student Saving Challenge, and this one is for my college students. So with this saving challenge, y'all could save for emergencies, groceries, going out, and clothing. I think typically what college students want. They're totally editable as well, so you get to choose based on your income or based on the amount of money you make, how much you want each item to be, and how much you want the total on each card to be as well. So these are also you can see, you see it's like glossy, so it's cardstock but it's glossy, and it's glossy on both sides. So this is the college student saving challenge bundle. Next up, we have the long-term saving challenge bundle, which is for my people who like to be prepared for the future. You can save for your long-term goals by using this bundle. You have saving for a dream car, saving for a house, saving for retirement, and just long-term savings, which you know you want to dip into once you get into the future. And these are also editable as well. Like I said, majority of the saving challenges are editable, which allows you to pick how much money you want it to be. Next saving challenge bundle we have is Boss Up. So this is for the big bosses. It's kind of like Level Up, if you guys remember the Level Up one where the money was a little bit more higher. So on one slip we have 50s, on the other it's 40s, on the other one it's 100s, and each heart on this one is $60. So this is for the a little more higher income, you know, as you guys, it's for a little bit more higher income. So next up we have Be Happy, and Be Happy is more of like, I wouldn't say rainbow, but it's different colors as y'all can see. So it's hearts, but it has blue, purple, and yellow, and then one is purple, one is yellow, one is blue, and these are completely editable, so you guys get to choose how much you want the amounts to be as well. So Be Happy is cute, and you guys go ahead and check them out. The link is in the description. So next up we have the random items savings, and I call it this because it's just a bunch of random items. As y'all can see, yeah, you have airplanes, you have pets, you have food, you have burgers. It's for my people who likes to, you know, probably like to take your marker and kind of like color in. So I kind of did picture ones for you guys if you guys are like that type of person and you like these type of things. So these are also editable as well, so you can go ahead and choose how much you want it to be. And that's basically it for saving challenges at the moment. In due time, of course, I'll add new stuff, and I'll keep adding new stuff so you guys will know, you know, like what's new, what's going on, etc. So those are all the items that I have for saving challenges and for placeholders and cash breakdowns at the current moment. So now we want to jump into other things that we have that are not challenges. We have bank bags now, y'all. So this is the pink bank bag, and it has a rose gold writing that says bank. As y'all can see, this is mine because I have my cash in there. I have it in two colors. I have pink and I have like a beige color. The beige one has bank written on it in like a shimmery gold vinyl, and the pink one has bank written on it in a rose gold holographic vinyl. So we have bank bags, super cute. And now we're gonna move into the books. So the books are still the same books, it's just they have different covers. So we have the coloring book. This is the coloring book saving challenge. It's still the same coloring book, just different colors. We have the Real Baddie Save Up, which is the same Real Baddie Save Up book as well, just different color covers. And we also have the Low Income Saving Challenge book, same book, different colors. So y'all already know about these books. If you don't, just click on the link in the description and head on over to the website and go check them out. So that's it for the books. Same books are back. And now we're going into binders. I'm going to show you guys the binders that we have now. So the first binder I want to show y'all is the 1000. It's Save $1,000. And this one it does require a little bit more discipline. So if you want to challenge yourself, you can get this binder. So it's $1,000 saving is the goal, and it has a little tracker to track, but the challenging part of this binder is you have to put down $100 each time in whatever way it works best for you. So you can choose if it's each month or whatever, I don't know. And then each envelope clearly has $100 labeled on it, so you're supposed to put your $100 down. Like I said, this is definitely a challenge. So this is for my people who likes to challenge themselves and likes to push themselves. It's a little mini binder and it's available. Next we have our minimalist wallet. Now the minimalist wallet is a cash wallet. It is a A7 size transparent gold, and it has the following categories in there. This is my personal one. It has 6 categories. You have allowance, you have household, and these are matte laminate envelopes that were handmade by me. You have groceries, you have eating out, there's gas, and for me, I have my daughter, which is right here, but in the one for sale it says miscellaneous, so whatever else you want it to be, you can make it. So this is the minimalist mini wallet. It's for my people who wants to control their spending weekly. So yeah, the minimalist wallet is available. Next, we are back with the vacation binder. We literally made a few changes to the vacation binder, which is the dashboard, and we changed it to gold, and the dashboard says vacay mode. When you open it up, this is the dashboard. It's printed on premium glossy cardstock and it's laminated. And then we get to the challenges. So instead of having labels on them, on each envelope, the envelopes have challenges. So this is souvenir, so it's a challenge for souvenir, and it's editable challenges. So you get to choose how much money each icon is and what's the total that you're saving for. I like it this way because it's like I get to cater to more people this way, because from what I was doing previously, it was kind of hard because then low income people would ask for low income stuff, and then higher income people asking for higher income stuff. So I figured just let y'all put it in what y'all want it to be. And these are the premium clear envelopes, as y'all can see. Very much clear, very much cute. So this is the vacation binder. Self-care is a priority. New dashboard as well. And same premium clear envelopes and challenges. So we have the massage challenge. You can choose, once again, editable. You get to choose how much you want each icon to be. Solo date, which is one of my favorite categories now. And facials. So this is the vacation binder. No, it's not editable. You can't edit and customize and all that. That took a whole lot of work. But this is the self-care binder. If you guys are interested, it is on the website and ready to be sold. We have the 100 envelope challenge binder, and this is probably like my favorite so far. I like the way it looks. It just looks so luxurious. So it's A5 size, so it's bigger, and it's gold as well. And this is the dashboard. It's printed on glossy cardstock and laminated. And then on top of that, we also have the tracker. So your tracker is included in your binder, so you can track your process as you go. And then here you go. So it's numbered from 1 through 100. Look at that, my $20. I missed that. Wow, I missed you, girl. So you can, it's labeled from 1 to 100. So all the way through, it goes all the way up to 100. So this is the 100 envelope binder. So we have dashboards, guys. We have the high priority dashboard, which is matte vellum. So it's vellum, it's matte, etc., etc. We have the sinking funds dashboard, also vellum, and we also have the bills dashboard. So all 3 dashboards can be found on the website. The link is in the description if you guys are interested. Along with the dashboard, we also have the tracker bundle, and the tracker bundle includes these 2. So with the tracker bundle, you're able to get the monthly no spend tracker, and you're able to get the bills tracker. And these are laminated trackers, so you can basically erase. So you can use these over and over again. So the bills tracker and the no spend tracker comes together as a bundle. So that's also available on the website. Also on the website, we have this dashboard set. Where is the other one? Oh my God. So it's a 3-piece set dashboard. Even though I only have 2 right now, I can't bother to go get the other one. Y'all just gotta jump on the website and go see for yourself. One says coffee in one hand, confidence in the other. One says pray, set goals, make a plan, work hard, succeed, thank God, be humble, and repeat. And the other one says girl boss, with a definition of girl boss. So those 3 dashboards come together in a set. They are available on the website as well if you guys are interested. They should be under budgeting essentials. No, they're on the dashboards. My bad. They're on the dashboards. My daughter is just trying to be heard, y'all. Just wants to be heard at this point. So these are what's on the website so far. As time goes by, new things will be added, and I will definitely let you guys know what's added new and everything. So I'll keep y'all posted all the time. If you don't read your community posts, you probably should, because a lot of times when I make updates, I post it on my community, so you guys will, you know, like know what's going on or what's new or whatever. So thank you so much, y'all, for watching the video. I want y'all to head on over to the website and go ahead and grab what it is that you saw that you like, that you want to get. Go ahead and grab. I will see y'all in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.